Let's set up a signature in Outlook 2019. So let's go to the File menu at the top, and from here we'll click on where it says Options, and we're going to go to where it says Mail. And from here we should be able to set up our signatures. Let's go ahead and click on Signatures. There we go. And we can go down into where it says New. You can't just click on the box itself because it's all grayed out. So you have to click on New. And we'll type a name for this signature, and let's just call it Sig1, just for instance, because we're going to create more than one. All right, now we can go ahead and click in here. So we'll just say thanks, and then we'll put in the name, and there's our signature. So before we can actually get anywhere with the signature, we have to go to where it says Choose Default Signature. Email account, there it is. New message, hit the drop down, choose Sig1, and replies and forwards Sig1, or you can leave it blank. So some people like to have the replies and forwards without the signature, and some people like to have it with the signature. So let's just go ahead and leave it blank just so you can see the difference. All right, so new messages, signature on, replies none. So let's click OK, and we'll click OK there as well. Let's click on a new message, and there's our signature. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and click on a message that's already here. Click Forward, and we see there is no signature. So we can certainly change that if we want just by going back in and setting up under Mail to go ahead and have that signature in there just by hitting the drop down. There we go. Now, of course, when we do a forward, it will also include our signature as well. And there it is. So I'm going to do a few more videos on how to customize your signature using pictures and hyperlinks and things like that. So take a look for those options in this playlist.